What a one me brother and sister them. You good. Me know you watch this here channel. It have good message for you. Me there to teach the language. I'm here to teach the language. To teach you the Jamaican language, you have to know this here. To teach you the Jamaican language, you have to know this. But me won't tell you. But I want to tell you. This thing me eat, the mukalo bandolo business. There's something I hate. What do you call a bandolo? Theft. Me eat bandolo business. Bandolo business bad. Bandolo is theft. Or those tricky stars. It is bad. Very bad. The young girl there. The young girl is there. What them a do? What are they doing? What them a do? What are they doing? Trouble there. There is a trouble there. No go there, cause the trouble there. Don't go there, because there is trouble. You're gonna find trouble. What makes somebody do that? Why someone is doing that? What make you galanga so? Why do you behave like that? Stop bandolo business. Stop theft and conning. Stop that. Stop it. Megwan. Megwan means I go on. No tap me. Me a fegwan. Do not stop me. I have to go on. If you are going somewhere and someone is stopping you, you say, no tap me, me a fegwan. Me happy bag boss. Me happy bag boss. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. If you're happy, you say that me happy bag boss.
My happy bag boss. My happy bag boss.
You understand?
You understand? Yes.
Where the big rocket one? Where is the big stone? The big rocket one.
Where's the big stone?
No fall down. Don't fall down.
Only the Togwa once.
Do not fall down.
Togwa once.
Call me feminine. Call me feminine. Call me my name. What make you call me funny name?
Funny name.
Me hate that. Why do you call me funny names? I hate that. That's why me hate. That's why me no want. That's what I hate. That is what I don't want. Me no know your name. Someone will tell you that I don't know your name. Me strong. I am strong. You understand what me say?
Yes.
You understand what I say?
say?
Them we are girl, them know the language. These girls know the language. Call upon me. Call upon me. Call me name. You don't know me name. Somebody don't understand what me say. You have to know what me say. You have to know what me say. Stop bandul business. What make enough people a dog at? What make them a dog at? That's what God hate. God no one that. Stop bundle business.
What a one.
You understand? Thank you for watching Jamaican Patwa TV. Bye bye.